Hi everybody, welcome back. We're going back in time today, 1985 at Prestwick. Round about maybe 5 to 1. I think there's a freight train headed towards Hunterston Power Station, heading that way. So if we're lucky enough, we'll catch that. So make it a quick video today. Finally, I got my backboards painted a few days ago in the garden. Got the white primer rolled on and it looks okay. Let's go back a bit and see. Get a view from another angle. Yeah. So I'm glad, finally. Been anxious to get those up because now that I've got the frame, as it were, now I can start painting a picture in the middle. So, the good job, big job done. And when I was cutting the wee holes here for the trains to come through, the board it's quite thin, so it was starting to chip, and I thought, oh no, I've duffed this. But don't panic if you're doing that. Just get a bit of polyfiller. In my case, I used an old AA card and just polyfiller the little chips and stuff. Take all the loose bits of wood away, and then polyfiller the holes, sand it, and then unless you're really looking for it after you've painted it, you won't notice a difference. Don't panic, because I thought, oh god, another trip back to the DIY shop for more wood. And I didn't want to be spending more money for that. So, a wee lesson there learnt for myself. So yeah, it's coming together. I can start painting the track. Where's the paint? I was waiting for sleeper grime, but the price to get paint sent up to the Highlands in Scotland is ridiculous. It was something like 15 quid delivery charge, so I thought screw that. I went into a wee model shop. What colour is this actually? Let's see. Here we are. Red brown. It's almost identical to sleeper grime at a fraction of the price. So if anybody can't get their hands on sleeper grime, red brown Tamiya colour paint will do you just a ticket. So there will be a slight halt on painting because I need to get back down to Prestwick. I'm hoping to get back down at the end of February. I'll probably park in here, jump over the field there, run down. I need to get some photos of this area here. I don't want to rush the ballast job. You know, different colours or whatever, and also I'm pretty sure they're not concrete sleepers in there, but if they are, I'll keep them as that, and if not, I'll be painting them. So I just need to clarify a few bits and bobs. I don't want to rush into it and then go down and see the place and think, oh, I've done it wrong. So I'll take my time and have a few days down there, wee holiday, and we'll get it right. A couple of photos. And this, the paint I'll be spraying here, so you won't see the join here. I'll be exposing some of the concrete sleepers here. You see most of them all the way there. If I'm right, it's either that side or this side. I think this side you actually see the concrete sleepers, and for some reason they're all dirtied on this side, so I'll be painting that mostly, and exposing the concrete sleepers that side. And another wee bit here when I'll be painting. The join in the track will disappear when I spray there. Oh, I treated myself to a feather duster the other day, strictly for track cleaning purposes only, honestly. It's great for, you know, just getting it a wee touch up and stuff. A couple of quid, and it's delicate on your track, gets rid of any stuff. So that's it until next time. I think that's it. Yeah. Like I said, that's the frame up, so now I can just focus on getting the picture within the frame. I couldn't really do anything without putting that up first. I was kind of higgledy-piggledy. So, oh, check the time. Right, we'll get in position and see if this train's heading to Hunterston. Maybe just catch it. Well, that's about it for me for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. I'll speak to you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.